Aw. You damn fool.
I'm trying to be all gangster for you too. You damn fool.
You're so overwhelmed.
JJ Poofs. It's raining cheesy Poofs.
What the fuck?
It's a dog eating cheesy Poofs.
Well, he's acting like a weirdo when he does it too, so he's just like, okay. Wow, you can see me filming.
I know.
Just hit him in the ear, just ignore
You already
it.
ate all those?
The pizza?
No, the ones
Oh.
I ate already. The pizza?
I thought you asked me if I ate them all. I was like, no.
You got pizza on your mind. Pizza all the time.
What? Shit. He's getting bored with this game.
Let's not see how long he goes.
Asshole.
Tom!
Eat it. God damn it. You just keep throwing them and he doesn't want them anymore. Are there any more?
No, I just want him.
Well, I mean, is there any more that you threw?
Yeah, there's a lot.
No, that you threw, you person.
Oh, no. We'll find them.
What else?